Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a sales funnel using Systeme.io. Now I'm in my Systeme.io account. Let's go to funnel to create one. Here, create, and then I put a name, cryptocurrency shop, and then I want to build an audience. In here you can collect email list if you want to. There are a lot of templates in here where you can collect the email address and the name of your subscriber, like this template. But for me, the purpose of my sales funnel is just to let my potential customer to go directly to my cryptocurrency shop. I'll choose this one. I'll select this one, put some name on it. Now I'll change the name, change it to crypto. Now I will be editing the templates I just chosen a while ago. Come here and edit the page. Now I'll be editing this one. I'll just highlight, and I prepared already the things that I'll be putting. I'll copy this one, welcome, copy, then go back, then Control V. So I want to resize the fonts. I'll just go here, size it. I'll want to get it a little big, and I want to change the fonts. Go to Google Fonts, and I will choose this one, Anton. Okay, I will just resize this one. Okay, I think that's good. And I want to change the color background. I want to change something with pink, green. Okay, I'll do the same for the others. Now I just want to add some headline. I'll put below here. That's it. I want to change again. Okay, that's it. Now I don't need this one, so I'll just delete it. So to delete something in Systeme.io, just go to this trash bin, then click OK. Actually I don't need also this one. Just okay. This one I don't need one. Okay. Now after, I'll change the image in here. So to change the image, just click, then click the image, then image file, then upload the image. I forgot, I don't have yet. I have in my Canva account. Okay, so I'll go to my Canva account. Canva. So if you don't have a Canva account, this is a great software where you can create a lot of things to design your images like that. Okay, like this one. Then I want this one, so I will download it. download, and I had 2 pages, so I just want to choose that page 2 to download. Okay, download. It's downloading already. So if you don't have a Canva account, I just leave the link on the description to open for free account. I'll go back to my system.io. Then select file. Okay, this one, and then boom. Again. Okay, then insert. Okay, that's it. Now I click the call to action button. Okay, I'll edit it. I want to change it with URL. Okay, and I can put the URL in here. So I'll go to take my store URL, cryptocurrency URL, copy, and then paste in here, so that if people will click this one, then they will go directly to my cryptocurrency store. Okay, next I will change the text. Welcome to my cryptocurrency store. I can resize it as okay, the height. I want to change the height, but I think that's okay for me. That's it. I can change the font. I'll go to Google Fonts and choose I think that's okay. So if I want to change the background color, I can do it in here. I'll change to green so that it will be uniform. Yeah, that's it. And if I want to change the padding, I can use in here. No need. Want to change the color to text color to red. Yeah, that's it. Or yellow. I think much better, yellow. I want to change the corner of the call to action button by going here. Oops. That's it. The top right. Same also with the bottom left. And the bottom right. I want to adjust more so that it will be the same. Okay, I think that's it. And I want to put some shadow in here so that the call to action button will a little bit pop up. That's it. I want to change the color, and that's I want to be dotted, and I want to change to red. Okay. That's okay for the border. I'm satisfied with this, and I'm ready to share the link through my social media account. But because I don't have funds on my social media account, so I need to create a Facebook ad for this. Okay, let's look on the preview. Okay, this is the one that shows up if I will be making Facebook ads. But according to, there is a note in here, this is preview mode. It's just a preview. Don't use the URL. So I cannot use the URL in here, so let's go back to get the URL for this funnel. So let's save it and exit. Now this is the URL that I'll be needing in my to use in my Facebook advertisement. Okay, so we'll just copy this one to try if it's really working. Copy, then let's go to incognito mode. I'll paste the link in here. Control V and enter. So here, if people will click on this one, then they will go directly to my cryptocurrency shop. Okay, that's it. They can browse all my designs in here. I have 10 collections. 10 collection of crypto logos, as well as some memes here. They can check in here, then they can click to buy this one, for example, and they can go to buy the t-shirt if they want to. That's it. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. And if you could kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. So if you don't have yet an account on Systemy.io as well as Canva.com, I'll just leave the link on the description down below. See you in the next video.